Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter emojis on Android on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter app and we will go to found Twitter here. We will click here on Twitter, then we come here to Twitter window and we will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK. Then we will click here on storage and we will come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video. So see you.